This is the seventh hand in the Winds and Dragons section. We start off with a pair of north, a pung of east, a pung of west, a pair of south, and then a 20-25. Notice they're all the same color. These do not have suits. And then for this one here, it all is going to be in the same suit because they're all the same color. Except for, of course, the 0, it falls under the same rule of neutral, no suit. So then on this next one, we've got, again, all one color. We've got a pung of north, a pair of east, a pair of west, a pung of south, and then the 20-25. So the only difference is on these, of course, we have two different options. If you happen to be getting more of the north and south, you're going to do this option. If you happen to be getting more of the east and west, you'll do this option. And then on the parentheses, it says 20-25, any one suit, which we figured out by the 20-25 being all the same color. So here's an example. I've got my north, east, west, south, right? And notice it usually is going to be in that kind of order where you'll see the news spelled out. But in this case, we've got them where we have a pair, we've got, a 3 of a kind, 3 of a kind, 2 of a kind kind of thing. Then we have a 20-25. Notice this 0. Yes, it is also a dragon, a white dragon for the dots, but in this case, we're using it as a 0. So it is not a suit. It is just neutral, just like these are. And then I'm using cracks for my 2-5. These are considered singles. For my other example, I'm just going to throw another north in there, get rid of my east and west. And then I'm going to throw in another south to kind of show an example of the other one. I could also switch these out if I wanted to cracks. Well, I'm sorry, I have a crack. I already have that. Dots or bands. And then for jokers, I can switch out jokers in any of my pungs. So in this case, I could put jokers here. I cannot here because they're singles, and I cannot here because they're pairs. All right, so if you have any questions, please just comment or send me a message. I love hearing from you. Have a wonderful, blessed day.